This is the number one thing stopping them from having that success. My name is Connie Ann. I'm a paradigm shift specialist. I was trained and taught by the one and only amazing Mr. Bob Proctor, and I have the pleasure of bringing his legacy forward into your life. So let's talk about goals. Do you have a goal? Most people think they do, but do you really have a goal? And what is it? Does it excite you? Does it make you kind of a little queasy and also a little unbelievable for you to reach? Is it a goal that when you mention it to your friends and family, they think you are nuts? Good. That's the right goal. If your goal is for financial freedom or I just want to be happy, those are amazing, important goals, and I want you to have them. However, what is that specifically for you? And so let's dig that into that just a little bit more. I'm going to give you 3 different things that you need to consider when talking about your goal. The first important part of your goal is it has to be big. So many coaches, so many gurus out there are telling you to have reasonable goals. Don't set yourself up for failure. I am telling you, get your head in the clouds, dare to dream, whatever your goal is. And I want to encourage you to have a goal that you would be a little concerned if you had to stand up and announce it at a family dinner. That's the goal I want you to have, because when you achieve it, and you will, if you progress forward to it in the right way, you're going to shock them. You are going to shock yourself. But first, you have to decide what you want and then go after it as if you could not fail, because you won't fail. You do it in the right way. So let's talk about the 3 main side bonuses of having that exciting goal. Number 1, if you catch yourself procrastinating, deferring things till tomorrow, and maybe not doing the work that you know you have to do, check in with your goal. Does it make you excited? Is it something that once you get it, you're going to wow everybody? Well, if it is, then move on to number 2. If it's not, make sure you work on that goal and make sure it's a good one. Number 2 is it will create excitement for you. You'll be excited to get out of bed every morning. You will know that today is a good day before it even starts, because you know what you're moving towards and you know what it's going to feel like, what life is going to be like, how it's going to feel to tell everybody what you achieve once you get there. And that needs to excite you. And the third reason you need that strong, powerful goal is it is measurable. If you feel stuck, like you're working so hard and you just don't ever feel like you're getting there, then if you don't have a goal, you don't know where there is. You are a car in a driveway idling. You don't know if you should go forwards, backwards, sideways. You don't know what direction to go in. So if you are just randomly going throughout your day, then you will never know when you're going to get there and how you need to get there if you don't know where there is. I hope that makes sense. So let me tell you again, you need a strong goal that excites you and scares you a little bit all at the same time to stop you from procrastinating, to give you something measurable so you know that you are making headway. And most of all, it's going to give you a reason to get out of bed in the morning. Be excited. You're going to do those 10 phone calls or those 50 phone calls or those 5 phone calls, whatever you set up yourself to do. But whatever you do, just do it every day, continuously. How long? Till that dream becomes your reality. And then you know what? You're going to have another goal. You're going to start it all over again. My name is Connie Ann, and if you like this content, I'm going to be dropping a whole lot more just like it. And so please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, give me a thumbs up. Your comments down below. If you have questions in there, I will answer them myself personally. And I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.